when you think about, you just kind of go, oh, well, yeah.
Yeah, wait lang ha. Itatry ko lang
So I'm
muna
gonna
yung kay
make
ano.
Kokomi
Tatry ko
as a
lang
product of her time.
Wala. Sabi mo mahina yung
Illusion shut. Shower me with praise. Let my name echo the temple of wisdom.
Let the mighty be humble.
.8? Ay, ano ba yan? Okay lang.
Another test.
Wala pa akong ipon.
Teamwork is strength. Let my name echo in
Ito yan.
Seems like an emergency.
Yung Renaya circulation yung tumutugtog sa earbuds while lifting 100 kilograms. ER. Ano ba yung Renaya circulation, bro? Kaya magandang gamitin. 30 plus eh. 30 plus per charge attack tapos meron ka pang burst. Napilitan mag 5 stars. Oo, kailangan na. Di ba 4 stars dapat dito? Eh, may papagawa kayo later. 27. So, around, let's say, 30 na lang. So, mga 63. 63 yan. Kaso, kala nyo, gusto nyo pahirapan talaga, ha? Ang dami naman ito. Sige, dyan na kayo.
RPG games. Next, we'll analyze the marketing strategies employed.
Yes, Ox na ako is nakapasok na ako. Ayan, bibitinin ko.
Anything, just anything under MiHoYo at the time. But it doesn't end here. This is where it gets crazy, okay?
Kaso kailangan din natin ng shielder dito eh. Layla. 80, level 80 Layla. Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong tapusin yun. Hindi ako kasing lakas ng mga ibang characters eh. Si Setos sa alt account. Wala pa akong makuha maganda sa kanya. Kaya nagfa-farm ako. Iba sa feeling ng may C2. Natin tong kay Hutaw. Pero yung kay Pololoy, sige, pwede natin yan. Kunin mo na lang yung isang slot sa sa Facebook. Ano kasi, yung build ko kay pangalan nito, kay Clorend is malay mo, 'di ba? Paano ba mag
Let the mighty be humble.
Uy.
Bow your head.
Tapos na laban.
Hear my prayer. Now you shall perish. Shine down.
Britney Spears pala. Britney Spears yun, di ba? Parang really? Plus EM pa. Same goes with the other characters din. Parang si Alhaitham tsaka si sino pa ba? Hindi talaga siya, no?
Here comes the catch.
Hingguwa ka nga. Naubos. Hindi ko nakita yan, ah. Saan ka na? Muna natin. Kapag hindi talaga kaya, check natin dito. Kulang. May extra yun, di ba? Tama ba? O, di ba?
He's returning Noel back to the KFC?
Ay, ala ko, di itatakbo
What a
rin.
Chad. The story ends
T1 din ba itong huwag ka nang mag-ano. I-reset ka pa, ha?
Little kids, you can bully me.
Gusto namin Zumba. Bakit Zumba? Yan, yung Zumba. Joke time yung Zumba.
I don't know who the hell it is, okay? But they made up this rumor that for the first anniversary rewards, you were gonna get a 5.
Tapos sabi mo, mahina novelet mo. O yan, o, diba? Binabasa lang nyo. Ang hirap, ang kukunat ng, ng buttons dito. Ay! Start. Ayan naman yung gumana. Ayusin natin. Yan. Kay Pilser, kay Ictus to eh. Tapos, labas natin yung...
Game's up. Fun is over. Quietly now.
Overruled.
Pangalan nun? Ritual. Ritual natin. Right dito. Para last abyss natin ng Fortnite, bukas mag-a-abyss ako din ng sa alt account. Yung alt account medyo naku, sayang yung burst. Dito ay nasan si Ye? May Yelan ka nakita din. Ay, dito na lang oh.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Hindi. Ay, buhay ka pa? Bakit tayo mag-aalala kung meron naman tayong kung meron naman tayong tapos main game niya is Dragon Nest. Dragon Nest si Quiz Ace yan. Maraming salamat sa pag-raid at pagbisita.
Game's up. Fun is over. Busted. Overruled.
Asan kayo ngayon? Alam ko na yung mga piece natin na physical goblet. Nice. Yan, crit rate 10.5%, crit damage is 13. Ang baba ng EM niyan, samantala ako ubos oras. Iniisip ko kung magano ko eh. Iniisip ko kung mag-aakwa simulacra. Ang hirap kasi sa weapon. Pero siya... Ayaw mo na acquaint fate?
For the first year anniversary, the rating is 4.5. Everything's looking great. What a beautiful page, right?
Quiz Jerry Mer, magandang gabi. Ayan o, sabi ni Quiz Jerry, MSI. Pero
Shower me with death. There is no escape. Torn to oblivion.
Here you are.
The eternal await.
Cloud Cones Wall. Pyro. Pyro. X attack.
What
Tingnan
time
natin
is
ang overall stats. Okay, nice. Crit rate is 83.1% crit. Yan. Tapos, sino pa ba? Si Sino. Akin Sino. Pwede.
Inazuma shines eternal. There is no escape. Let my name
Stats niya, pag tune def. Def percent, tapos flat def. Ay, sarap. Ang sarap. check natin yung flex and reviews nyo. Pasensya na ulit, nakatulog talaga. Okay lang, Kuis, no problem.
There's only one me.
Yan, sige. Thank you, Kuis Denzo, for sharing. Makisama ka lang controller, ayos na tayo. Hindi ko na makita yung HP. 64. Kala mo, Hindi kaya, pwede yung akin. Abis na lang sa akin na lang yung flex.
Companies in the world. You have a market cap of over $1 trillion.
Kaso 3K. Mga 10 pwede na.
Which is a
Akala
good
ko
thing because July
akala ko
2021
specific na
is coming
KFC
up soon.
KFC recipe,
So
yung
stay
golden
hyped for
fried
that.
chicken naman pala yun. Hindi, meron tayong Shan yun eh. May Shan yun tayo eh. Bakit tayo matatakot?
Fail. In this video, we'll dive into the potential problems surrounding Zenless Zone Zero's release and discuss whether this game
No, my sword. Illusion shattered. Inazuma shines eternal.
Kakatapos ko lang din yung sa akin kanina. Bukas ako ang dalawa. Yan, testing. 6 stars, 100. 3 star, 100. Right.
My guiding stars. Don't be scared.
Tingnan mo, ayaw niya magpalit ng novel eh. Pag ba nakatapos yung tutorial, ilan na makukuha kong ilan na makukuha kong Jades?
Yeah.
Yun ang kailangan.
Let's light it up.
Bang, saka hydrate na. Ayaw nyo ng Ay, well, mas maganda ang build mo dito, no? Sige, try natin to. 1497, kailangan ko ng 200, ng 103.
As
Yan.
history. But it doesn't
wait,
matter.
ano naman
Just
siya,
because
nag-block
something
screen na
makes
naman
sense
siya.
in the lore of the game does not make it quote-unquote.
Check natin si Fremini.
So in the end, what calmed down this entire storm? Well, it's simple. 1,000.
Here comes the catch. Quietly now. Let me weave you a web.
Sa FB group ng UWA, sinabi ko lang mas malakas yung Liberation muna bago Dreamless. Hiningan ako ng beta test ID. Daming tao.
It was fucked up. My whole mind kept thinking about how many
Tito. Tito Gaming. Setos.
So they were kind of using Nihoyo's art against them. Creative, nice. It's like a peaceful protest.
Nakaka-enjoy ang floor 112 ay face chamber 1 floor 12. What I meant
The goal of this is that Kokomi was just sidelined altogether, and that's my
yan,
biggest
ito
problem
panoorin lang
with
natin
that.
yung kay Kuis
The thing is
Marco.
that you have a character
Tapos
that is
Nasaan na yung game? Yan. Kaso wala kang ano, no? Itong Mona mo, nakabuild ng pang damage show. Navia, Rice, Lee, Shanha, at Nilu. Yun, naalala ko na. Hindi ka siya gumagana, ba't ganun? Ang crit rate. Tsaka ganda nung kanta. Ayan, kaya ng Nuvi mo.
And then you see Google
Hala.
comes.
Full account frozen for 20 minutes.
It's like
Hindi siya ano? Hindi siya nag-dash?
What time is it?
Tagal pa ata, parang kailan lang nag-rerun si Ayato. Kapagod mag-echo hunt araw-araw, kaya hintay na lang din ako 1.5, 1.1, 1.1.
you'll make your grandfather start seeing visions again. But it doesn't end here because
Any character from Genshin or from any media, they either haven't paid attention enough to the characters or just don't really care enough about the source.
Let me weave
No? We can do the Arlecchino, Rabadabang. Wala tayong shielder. Oy, wait lang. Hindi daw. Tag dito, yung tutorial, pupunta ako si
Shine down. Inazuma shines.
mukhang paglabas na lang ng game. Don't click. Kapit lang quiz, Unisys, malapit na tayong magnatlan. Go for Murata na. Ako,
Inazuma shines eternal. There is no escape.
ka na makulit. Oh, every 15th yung Tapos, every 15th, tapos every 932. 592. Okay. Oo, yung mark, hindi pa nabuka. Kailangan bumuka niya eh. Pasa ko kayo kay GoBT. Yan, support natin din si GoBT and our fellow local streamers din. Yan.
L_L_L_L_L_L_L_L_L_L_L_. Quietly now.
Tumigil ka na dyan. Ito pa oh. Magandang gabi. Hello. Hard pull? Nagpo-pull ka ba ulit? Nagbe-build ka? Sabi ko, wag na mag-invisible kasi. Ay, saan ba yun?
The process of elimination. Fallen leaves adorn my night.
Zumba stream? Hindi na Genshin stream, Zumba stream. Oh, dito tayo kay Dayona. Ito, tapos ito.
Let my name echo in song. Torrent, bring refuge. See everything. Rain cutter.
Si Zero except kay Nahida. Pero si Nahida is... ano ba ang C2? Ang C1 is for fanfares. Ang C2 would be... Sands. Okay, yan. Ito, maganda dito. Ang ganda ng crit ratio nito. Crit damage is 30. Level 9 normal attack. And, natin yan. Sayang yung ano eh. Timing lang yung issue nitong dalawa. Wala tuloy tayong pang ano. Wala tayong pang crowd control. Faruzan. May ilan din eh, oh. Wag na to.
Order guide. Stabilize.
The Great Wizard. Sample nga ng Riz, The Great Wizard Pie. Abutin ba? Kaya?
Hold the line.
Bilisan mo! Let's go! Plus elemental mastery din, tapos crit rate pa yung ano niya. Kung wala ka nung signature weapon nung hindi talaga siya pwedeng magano. Kay sure lose around 12-3. Hindi ko lang sure kung natapos yung 12.
Wildfire around the community to the point where it became truth for many people. So when the anniversary actually hit, and
Try natin yung Abyss. Sino bang pwede natin i-Abyss? Baka naman mamaya ang hirap ng mga ang hirap ng mga shades pa rin.
When you have a character that's supposed to be a war general and someone that's in the front lines, you do want to make sure that she at least has a bit more.
By royal decree.
Yan o, Electrocharge Supremacy. Let's go. Mag-a-abyss. Sige, yan. Pwede ba kami magpa-abyss sa kanya? Ayun, again, thank you mga kuys. Kita naka-ano natin. Sinong nakapila sa flex? Race. Zumba stream. Pero lilipat ako ng PC mamaya dahil hindi ako makakapag-login dito sa PS ng ibang player. Sir. Damage showcase. Uy, si ano?
Let my name echo in song. The doctor was seen.
Palayas yung mga yun. Ilabas natin si Bennett. Burst to para din sa cooldown ng kanyang ng kanyang skill. Yan, check natin sa goblet, pwede tayong mag-increase diyan. The rest, ito ewan ko lang, pero sobrang hirap kasing 225 to 230. 230 magandang bigayan. Yan, 230 crit damage. Yan, yung kay Quiz Bake Mac muna tayo. Later, pag-uusapan natin TP. Grabe, crit rate mo, negative 48%.
Let the mighty be humble.
Merry Christmas.
Obviously, and maybe it has something to do with Kokomi's age being relatively young, so she would have no true obligation to.
Mastery is 42. Akala ko maganda yung crit damage ng ng goblet tsaka ng circlet.
Oh, my stomach is on fire.
Anong music off? Yung
What
music
the
off.
fuck? Starting from the 8th of March, a bunch of
Xiangling tsaka kaya? Xiangling tsaka kaya nila yan? Huwag ka sa akin. Uy, ito, tiranin mo, pre. Ay, nako, itong tananin mo. Ng banner, baka bumulugan liwe. Grabe si Bibi ah. Mukha
Here you are.
6. Uy, Haran. Okay. Sorry, nauusi ako dun sa... Magandang gabi. Yan. Ito, 12-1. Kaya natin 8 minutes. Okay, 11. Yan ang mga 5 stars. Yan, check muna natin. Uy, wait lang. Medyo kinabahan ako dun sa ano.
Including Google Classroom, League of Legends, Wild Rift, and other popular mobile.
Hello. Salamat sa pag-like at pag-share ng ating stream.
Billowing song! Billowing surge! A brash maneuver!
Need para sa resources. BP na agad. Sa bagay, demo nga ni Aya. Suggested team comp, Hyper Bloom sa first team, Nuvelet second team. Naku, wala akong Nuvelet sa second team. So, aasa tayo kay Yelan sa second team kung Hydra. Yan. Ayan, Abyss. Abyss yung claim ni Ictus.
Knowledge! I see everything!
One of our co-streamers dito sa Genshin Impact and Wuthering Waves. Wala. Ba't naman ito'y bumala pa ng ganun? Ang 4 pieces, 4-piece set nito. Okay, nice. Ang target ko.
Tower provide. Rain outlines your fate.
Sana ma-confirm kung kasama siya sa
I summon thee!
Two main things happen.
password
Let's
error
start
ko
with
is
the most
Ictus.
creative and wholesome approach to this, which was spamming the
Nyo, magkakaroon ng sumpa. Di na kayo magkakasya. Magkakasya. Kung may existing siya. Nananananan.
rain out.
Yan, sige. Try natin One is diba? Yung may crowd control. Ito yung monolith. 11 first floor tricky. Yan, 11-1. Sige, take. Triple Z. Yan, Triple Z. Hinihintay din natin. Konting tiis na lang. Half a month. Almost half a month na lang. Tsaka C6 kasi siya C6 easy
Order guide you.
Ang gumamit kasi nitong ang catching, nakabuild ang catching mo. Sige. Hindi ako nag-aani mo exception yun. Sige, tingnan natin kung